Okay, small circle and big circle. Okay, after that do like this. This is the one nice cute characters. See, this is one characters. Okay, simple character. This is for Christmas tree. That characters make it simple circle. Here the body. It's also circle first, and another circles over here. Okay, you can join that spot. Okay, both circle join. So head, torso, pelvis. Here I can make the legs. Okay, this is the leg. Okay, one leg, two leg. Okay, one leg, two leg. Here is it. Another leg supports over here. Okay, we are making the two leg and this tail. Okay, this is okay, very simple characters. We are making some ornaments like this. This is some oh, okay, this is some lockets kind of, and you can erase this inside the circle. Okay, after the drawing complete, you erase this constructions lines inside this construction circle lines. No need this one. Okay, then looks good. Here one bell. Okay, crease here. jingle bell. Some bells are including over here. Okay. Make something like this. Okay, this is Oh Mother Krishna We are making some borders. Okay. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh my God. Hello. Better start the drawing. Let's. I show how to draw. Okay. Just you let's. It's so easy. I just wait few minutes. Let's start better 6 o'clock. So try to join that time. Don't worry, I show you how to draw. Just wait 2 minutes. I finish first outline. Okay, better. Oh my God. Boşuna olmasın. Okay, so I done the border. I show how to do. Just a second, so I show you. Varani Sripada was a good name part, right? Isn't it? Bharani Sripada, what's the good name, beta? Bharani.
Sir,
Your name?
Sri Narayana Karthik.
Kartik. Okay. Is there now? Okay. Ishan brother. Right, Kartik?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Your timing is morning, right? You today are joined evening.
Yes.
Okay, not issue. Fine. So you understood how to draw, or I show you?
Can you show some?
Yeah, I show you today. But try to join the 6 or in join evening time 6 p.m. Okay. Very simple. I just make it's a height. Okay, this is a height. After the height, you just join this one. Okay, I make this one. Then the neck, and after neck, we make this one torso, one pelvis, and join this. Okay. So here make it the horn, ear, eyes, mouth. Okay. And here you will join the leg. One leg, two leg, three leg, four leg. Okay. And ankle like this. Do step by step. Okay. Dheeraj beta, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ও মা তারা ঘোষণা কাছে হাতেই আছে ও মা তারা ঘোষণা কাছে হাতেই আছে। Like this. Like this. ধৈরাজ কি বুঝতে পারছো? ধৈরাজ 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 বুঝতে পারছো? ধৈরাজ হ্যালো হ্যাঁ আমার ভয়েস আমার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছো? ও মা তারা ঘোষণা কাছে রক্ত জবা হাতেই আছে। Understood, beta? Eleni? This is what's the name of these animals, Eleni?
Antler.
Yeah. Make the first tone. We're giving the deep brown or red color. This is. This looks great. Like this. make the second tone आराम से. Done. If you're done, then you can show me after that. Okay, finish. Okay, Yalini, make color nicely.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Done, Yalini, beta.